हमारा यहाँ पर इकट्ठा होना एक हम लोग के लिए तो एक पर्सनल जर्नी बैक इनटू टाइम है, मगर जब जिस तरह से आप लोग का रिस्पांस आया, लगता है कि आप भी आज आशिकी से जुड़े हुए हैं। नहीं तो ऐसे इतनी सादगी से वंस मोर की आवाज उठती नहीं आप लोगों के दिलों से। यहाँ कोई कह रहा था कि हम तो इमोशनल हो गए, अपना कुछ खोया हुआ तो टटोलते हैं तो अतीत की तरफ देखते हैं। Past is something that you cannot visit. We can only pay a tribute to it and move forward.
Those great days where a studio called Sujeep Studio, where it was nothing short of a magical place, buzzing with energy, buzzing with creativity, unparalleled, unseen anywhere on this planet. And I was flooded with all those things, and I was thinking of Sushil ji, who was a person very close to Gulshan ji. Every 5 minutes, when I should talk to Gulshan ji, he should call Sushil, Sushil. So all those voices were running in my ears. And then Mukesh Desai, and then, you know, there's so many people. They were all those faces which captivated and captured most of my time in those days.
You know, to be fair, it's, the passion when you have someone who looks like that as your co-star is not that tough. So that was sorted out in the middle. But also the same thing that Bhatt Sahab is talking about, I think that's the attitude they took with us as well. They never made us feel the pressure. They never made us feel like we have something to live up to. They put their faith in us, and Mohit put his faith in us. And they made us feel like they had the confidence that we would be able to carry the baton forward. And you're not able to work under pressure. And I think they've been around long enough to know that. And I think they tried their best to get the best out of it.
When Ashiki came to me as a child, मैं जब छोटी थी, मुझे romantic films, I mean, I used to be crazy about them. So you can ask Mohit as well what my reaction was when he offered Ashiki to me. I was like, it's a love story, and my eyes were literally popping out of their sockets. So it's something that has been on my wish list. And in terms of a transformation of sorts, well, that was a different sort of film, and this is also a young love story. So I guess I've probably grown up a little bit.
All I can say is Ashiki was the first film trial that I saw when I was 8 years old. Maybe that's what bit the bug. I mean, it made me bite the bug of getting into films. It was a film that was dedicated to my mother in 1990, which had just expired then. That's when my journey started. So I can't say Ashiki is just a couple of people who've come together. It's not just actors and a cameraman or anyone who comes, and Bhushan ji and all. This is actually a tradition that has been passed on. It's a lesson. You can see it's a family thing that has been passed on from Bhatt Sahab and Gulshan ji and Mukesh ji on to me and Bhushan sir. That we've gone on to take this tradition forward. It's not just a film, it's more than that for all of us.
Actually, Ashiki was the first, those days में कैसेट्स हुआ करते थे. I was listening to various music जो उस टाइम रिलीज हुए थे. So he told me कि this is the cassette and songs I'm giving you. और अब मैं आज तुम्हें दे रहा हूँ. आज से तुम जब तक तुम अपना बिजनेस करोगे आके तब तक तुम ये गाने सुनते रहोगे. So he was so confident about Ashiki music.